Looking for a simple, elegant meal that's as impressive as it is delicious? Today, we're making baked dorade, also known as sea bream. This recipe is incredibly easy, and we'll walk you through every step to ensure you get a perfectly moist, flaky fish every time. First, let's talk about our ingredients. You'll need a whole dorade, which you can find at most fish markets. We'll also use fresh lemon, garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, and some thyme. A good quality olive oil, salt, and pepper are all you need to bring these flavors together. The first step is to prepare your fish. Make sure it's scaled and gutted. Your fishmonger can usually do this for you. Give it a quick rinse inside and out with cold water, and pat it completely dry with a paper towel. This is an important step for getting that crisp skin. Next, we're going to score the fish. Using a sharp knife, make 3 shallow cuts on each side, about 1 inch apart. This helps the seasonings penetrate the flesh and ensures even cooking. Now for the flavor. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil over the fish and rub it in, making sure to get it into the scored lines. Season both the inside and outside of the fish with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy. Now let's stuff the cavity. Fill the inside with slices of fresh lemon, a couple of smashed garlic cloves, and a few sprigs of parsley and thyme. This will infuse the fish with incredible aroma and flavor as it bakes. Place the stuffed dorade on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can arrange a few more lemon slices and herbs around the fish to create a beautiful presentation. We'll bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 20-25 minutes. The exact time will depend on the size of your fish. A good rule of thumb is to check if the flesh is opaque and flakes easily when you poke it with a fork. And that's it. Your perfect baked dorade is ready. You can serve it directly on the baking sheet for a rustic family-style meal or carefully transfer it to a platter. Enjoy this simple, delicious, and healthy dish. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. For more recipes and cooking tips, be sure to like and subscribe.